How to see block list on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to see block list on Snapchat. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips video. First, launch your Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your particular account. Now tap Profile or the Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Tap your icon at top right corner of the screen. On Settings page, scroll to the bottom of the screen. Under Account Actions, locate blocked users which is underneath Contact Syncing. Tap on it and these are all the list of your blocked users on Snapchat. You can easily view it on your Snapchat as well. If you wish to unblock them, tap on the cross mark next to it, and if you are sure you want to unblock them, then tap Yes button. This is how you can easily select block list on Snapchat and unblock them as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.